Thank you, Astro, and thank you, Mayor Paez. It's a real honor. He made it. It's okay. He's a pro. It's a real honor to be with you all today. The Rio AI City is an incredibly ambitious vision that we learned about from the mayor, and we are so thankful to be invited to be part of the team that's going to make it a reality. I am Paige Crahan, the General Manager of Tapestry, which is X's moonshot for the electric grid. What is the electric grid? The electric grid is quite simply humankind's largest machine, the biggest thing our species has ever created, a modern engineering marvel that perfectly balances supply and demand across the system at every second of every day to keep our lights on. But that grid is still running on technology that looks a lot like the technology from the 1880s, when the electric grid was first invented. The electric grid is operating on tools that were built for a different era, and we are entering the AI era. And that brings us here to Rio. Rio is a city of the future. The AI city is a city for the AI era. And just like technologies that have come before us, transformational technologies, AI needs new infrastructure to meet this moment. Tapestry is incredibly excited to work with Rio on this infrastructure. Put very simply, AI runs on electricity. Without reliable energy, there is no AI, and we won't have a chance to deliver on this incredibly exciting opportunity to supercharge the economy and uplift our communities. So Tapestry has a central role in determining what type of technology will usher our infrastructure into the AI era. But I have good news for you. We are all in this together. Every city can be an AI city. And I have learned from many years of working on this that lessons that happen in one geography transcend boundaries and help another geography. I can tell you that right now, as we sit in this room, there is a planner in Chile that is using Tapestry's tools to decide how to build out the national transmission network. There's a control room operator in the United Kingdom that's using Tapestry's optimization engine to decide how to dispatch electricity more intelligently. In the largest grid in North America, there is a planner who is using Tapestry's tool to see what can be connected to the grid. And in Auckland, New Zealand, this afternoon, a field technician will use Tapestry's GridAware tool to decide what part of the network they need to go fix to keep the lights on for their community. Which is why I'm very excited to tell you a bit about GridAware. GridAware, for the first time, brings together imagery from drones, from satellites, from street view cameras. We apply computer vision and machine learning to help the people that make decisions about what they need to do to keep our lights on. We help those people make decisions with predictive insights, with new intelligence, so they can focus more on fixing and less on finding. And it is my distinct pleasure to share that GridAware is one of the tools that Tapestry will be deploying in Rio's AI City. Tapestry will be deploying two tools in the AI City. The first is GridAware, which will allow technicians working on Rio AI City's network to use artificial intelligence to see and predict what areas of the network they need to work on to keep the power quality high for the community. The second tool is the planning tool. To meet the needs of this exciting AI city, we are going to need to build some more infrastructure. We're going to need to design this system in new ways. And Tapestry's planning tool supercharges that for planners. We run billions of simulations looking at every node of the grid for every hour of the day, 20 years into the future, allowing a planner to think of as many what-if scenarios as they can imagine so they can confidently make decisions about to invest in this infrastructure. Of course, Tapestry cannot deploy these two tools without partners. which is why I'm also incredibly excited to announce today that in addition to our ongoing partnership with the City of Rio, Tapestry is partnering with 3 of the most consequential energy companies in Latin America. The first is Axia, formerly Electrobras, the largest energy provider in the Southern Hemisphere. Alea, the largest Latin American data center platform, and a huge force in bringing together the AI city. And Light, the distribution electricity utility that delivers energy here in Rio. As I mentioned earlier, we are all in this together, and as Astro said, every city can be an AI city, and Rio is a blueprint for the future. Tapestry and our team are incredibly excited to be part of the group that will make this blueprint a reality. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you.